Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Alphabet form an elite group of trillion-dollar companies in the technology sector. On May 30th, Nvidia briefly joined this esteemed league, experiencing an extraordinary surge in market value, amounting to almost $184 billion in just one day. Hello and welcome to Eminent Investments. Today, we're diving into the incredible success story of Nvidia, a tech powerhouse that has achieved remarkable heights in the industry. But before we delve into the details, please take a moment to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Once you've done that, let's jump right in. Despite being relatively lesser known compared to its counterparts, Nvidia's monumental market gain surpassed the cumulative value of several other corporations in the semiconductor industry, signifying its significant presence and potential. The organization's exceptional sales performance has been driven by the rise of new technology. Let's explore how a relatively unknown graphics processor is capitalizing on the AI frenzy and what the future holds for its business approach. Back in 1993, Nvidia made a mark for itself by becoming a frontrunner in producing graphic processing units primarily designed for video gaming. Their robust chips significantly enhanced image quality, rendering visuals sharper and smoother. Jensen Huang, the CEO of Nvidia, emphasizes that their technology is primarily designed to enhance multimedia applications for consumers. Over the years, Nvidia's chips have evolved into an essential component of various products, spanning from personal computers to automobiles and even robotic systems. In a significant strategic move in 2006, Nvidia began allowing software developers to experiment with its GPUs. According to several industry experts, achieving trillion-dollar status necessitates diversification. Similar to how opening a door leads to various possibilities, once Nvidia embraced this approach, developers began exploring and experimenting with the technology. One notable expansion was into the realm of cryptocurrency mining. Nvidia's GPUs demonstrated exceptional capabilities in handling the intense computational demands of this task, leading to a significant boost in business. The surge in sales attributed to the cryptocurrency boom played a pivotal role in Nvidia surpassing its competitor Intel in terms of market value in 2020. During this period, there was a significant uptick of 14% in the sales of chips intended for data centers crucial for powering AI operations. This increase was primarily attributed to the growing demand for Nvidia chips in AI computations. For Nvidia, this achievement was the result of a decade-long effort. The company first made a breakthrough in the AI community back in 2012 with the introduction of a neural network known as AlexNet. Jensen Huang highlighted that nearly a decade ago, they foresaw the transformative potential of this software approach, even though the vision was initially considered futuristic and uncertain. Back then, the true scale of AI's future impacts was largely unknown. Making a substantial commitment to this technology at a time when many competitors were hesitant to do so was a significant gamble for Nvidia. Nvidia chips are well suited for driving AI applications due to their capability to handle numerous intricate computations concurrently, a feat that traditional processing units are unable to accomplish as rapidly. In comparison, other graphics processing units from competitors such as Intel and AMD have not managed to capture a substantial market share in the field of AI computing. Consider the functioning of graphics. A computer monitor typically consists of a multitude of pixels, often numbering in the thousands. The computer must constantly calculate the appropriate visual information for each of these individual pixels. It was soon realized, following Nvidia's decision to open up the use of its chips for diverse purposes, that these chips excelled in the complex mathematical computations that form the foundation of artificial intelligence. In the latter part of 2022, the AI domain experienced a significant surge following the widespread launch of OpenAI's ChatGPT, leading to a remarkable increase in Nvidia's stock value. While tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon continue their intense competition in the AI sector, Nvidia is reaping substantial financial gains due to the widespread utilization of its chips. which serve as the backbone for a majority of these AI systems. Nvidia is currently experiencing a windfall as numerous competitors strive to secure a share of the generative AI market, all of whom rely on Nvidia's products. In 2018, the segment dedicated to AI computation accounted for less than 50% of the company's overall sales. However, by 2022, it had become the leading revenue generator for the company. The initial Wall Street forecast of $7 billion for Nvidia's earnings was surpassed by the company's announcement that it would actually achieve $11 billion. This significant leap in projected earnings served as a clear indicator that the widespread excitement surrounding generative AI is not merely a passing trend, but a substantial and enduring development in the industry. However, this success has generated a new challenge for the company: supply constraints. The demand for Nvidia's product is stemming from every corner of the globe, yet the company's supply chain has been unable to keep up with the overwhelming demand. The manufacturing cycle for these chips operates in such a way that immediate production escalation is not feasible. Nvidia has indicated that it has made efforts to address some of these supply constraints. Colette Kress, the CFO of Nvidia, has mentioned that they are currently focusing on meeting the supply demands for the present quarter, while also securing a significant supply for the second half of the year. However, the global demand for the chips has also entangled the company in the escalating tensions between the United States and China. Last year, Nvidia revealed that new US chip licensing requirements for China could impact approximately $400 million of its quarterly sales. In response, Nvidia has started providing an alternative chip to its customers in China. Despite encountering some hurdles, the success of Nvidia has captured the attention of the entire chip industry. Nvidia continues to capitalize on this ongoing boom, with the industry showing no signs of slowing down. However, the critical question that remains is whether companies can successfully establish extensive and enduring businesses centered around the capabilities of artificial intelligence. Well, that's about it for today's video. If you like today's content, do give us a like and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.